What's going on, guys? Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make anywhere up to $20 every 5 minutes using completely free traffic. In this video I'm going to show you in just one click you can generate a website using AI tools, free AI tools, and then monetize this website using CPA marketing to generate anywhere between $5 up to $20 every 5 minutes on complete autopilot. Now this method is completely free. It's not going to cost you a single cent out of your own pocket, and even without any skills or experience you will be able to set this up if you're going to watch this video from beginning to the end. So just make sure to watch this entire video so you're not going to miss any important steps, and then just go ahead and set it up yourself and make some money with it too. Before we get started though, a couple of spots have opened in my one-on-one coaching program, so if you're interested in learning the exact same method that I'm using myself to generate anywhere between $8,000 up to $9,000 per month with affiliate marketing, you can see right here I was able to get to almost $9,000 last month using this. So if you want to learn exactly this same method, how I'm making these amounts of money without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, and I'm still getting results just like these, then just go to the first link down in the video description and sign up for a free one-on-one introduction call with me personally, so I can verify that you are actually a right fit for this program and if we can start working together. So just click on the first link, sign up for a free call, and I hope to see you there. Okay, now let's get started with CPA method, guys. First of all, you want to go to Google, and what you want to search for is Mixo.io. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this website right here. As you can see, it's going to help you launch your startup in seconds. So just click on that and go to Mixo.ai, and as you can see, this is like an AI website generator, which is a brand new thing that's super easy and super cool, because from one single prompt you will be able to generate entire website in a matter of seconds. So even if you don't know how to set up a website, Mixo is going to do it for you. What you want to do is go up here and click on get started for free, and you get to this prompt where you can write what you want your website to be about. Now for this method I've got a very specific niche that I want you to go with, because the entire traffic source and the entire CPA marketing method is based around this niche. So what I want you to write in here is something like website about newest mobile game promotions in 2023. It's very important that you're going to put this mobile keyword in there, because we are actually going to be promoting mobile games in today's video. But don't worry if you don't know any mobile games, because I'm going to show you exactly how to get source of material for your website completely for free in seconds. So just click on generate website, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to actually generate this website for you. You can see it's connecting to AI, generating startup name, and all that good stuff. Pretty much this entire process takes just a couple of seconds, because this AI bot is going to generate this website for you. And once it finishes generating your website, it's going to look something like this. You can see right away it's going to fit this website to fit the niche that you have put into the comment prompt. And pretty much this is like a very good quality website, because to generate something like this on your own without having any experience previously, that will take actually a couple of hours to get the right tools, the right resources. But using Mixo, in just a couple of seconds you will be able to get this very high quality base for your website that you can now customize by clicking this button right here that says save and customize. So just click on that, and now what you want to do once you open it up is to start customizing it and actually promoting real mobile games. Now to do that, just go to Google, and what you want to search for is something like top 5 mobile games in 2023. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go through these websites and choose one that you want to go with. You can also go ahead and choose the games that you want to be promoting from these YouTube videos that are going to be in the search results, but you also have to get some images from the video games. So that's why I highly recommend that you go to one of these websites that is going to have these images that you can use for promoting these video games. So as you can see right here, this website has this very high quality article promoting these video games that are designed for mobile, anything from Call of Duty, Rainbow Six, Warcraft, Lord of the Rings, and lots of other cool video games for mobile. And we are going to be using these video games to get money using CPA marketing. So what you want to do is go back to your Mixo website, and you want to start customizing it. First of all, I'm going to edit this title, because I'm not happy with what's written in there. So I'm just going to go to this site settings, scroll all the way down here where it says SEO description, and I'm going to rewrite this first sentence into discover the latest mobile gaming trends in 2023. Then I'm just going to into this content, and where it says hero, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to rewrite this discover the latest mobile games. No, I don't want that. I'm just going to select this, rewrite it into mobile game trends in 2023, just like that. Then you can just skip pretty much this entire part. If you want, what you can do is also go ahead and change this image for something to do with mobile games. Pretty much all you need to do is just find it in this toolbar, click on it, and as you can see right here, you can also exchange it for YouTube video, but that comes with the paid version of Mixo. If you're going to be using free version as we are in today's video, because I want to show you how to do this completely with zero investment, you can just exchange this image for something. For example, go to Google and search for mobile games. Go to images and choose one of these. For example, I like this one for some reason, so I'm just going to download it. Then go back to Mixo, click on this image and you replace it with the image that I have just downloaded. Just like that, for example. Then the most important part of this method is these 3 sections right here, where it says, in this case, save money on your favorite games, discover new games, get access to exclusive content, and then the rest of this website that we are not probably going to be using. But these 3 sections, what you want to actually do is replace with content, relevant content regarding these video games that you have found on Google. So for example, let's say we are going with this Pokemon Go game. So what I'm going to do is save this image just as well, then go back to Mixo and I'm going to start editing these sections. To do that, what you want to do is click on these features right here, and as you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3 features, which pretty much means these 3 sections can be edited individually, and if you want, you can also go ahead and add multiple of these. So let's get started with this first one. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and change this title to Pokemon Go, something like that. Then go to this image and I'm going to replace it with the image from the website about the video game. And as you can see right here, guys, and this is very important, if you're wondering if you can use these images from other websites on your site, you can see right here that it's being formatted to WebP, which means pretty much I'm not downloading the image itself, I'm downloading like a link to it, and then I'm going to embed it on my website. So without worries, you can go ahead and use images from other websites too, because we are also going to add credit to the original website. So pretty much just click on upload and it's going to get uploaded. Then what I'm going to do in this section, I want to generate a small article about this game. For that reason, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to write me 2 sentences promoting Pokemon Go mobile game. Hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and as you can see right here, it's going to give you these 2 sentences that you can pretty much just copy and paste into your Mixo website. So I'm just going to do exactly that. Copy it, go back to Mixo, and in this description part, I'm just going to select it entirely and paste it in there. Then just go back to ChatGPT and copy this second sentence, just like that, and paste it in there just as well. Now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to actually make money with this website. And for that, what you want to do is go to OGAds.com, and I highly recommend that you go to OGAds.com because it has one of the highest paying offers that I'm going to show you. Pretty much what you want to do is sign up for your account, then just log right into it. And if you go to offers right here and you filter by United States, you can see right here that the highest paying offers are paying anywhere between $16 to $21 per one completion, and obviously these are app installs. Okay, you can see right here that these are promoting some different video games for mobile. For example, this first is called The Gambler World. I don't know what that is actually. Then there's this Fishdom video game. Pretty much I'm not familiar with any of these, but the way this works, OG Ads is paying you for promoting these video games because they are getting paid to promote those video games, and then they are basically outsourcing the job to you in form of CPA marketing. So once somebody is going to download this video game to their mobile, you're going to get paid this amount of money. Make sure that you're going to be promoting these games at the top of the list instead of these down here, these lower paying ones. What you want to do is go up here into this toolbar once again, click on tools, click on content locker, and you want to click on create a content locker right here. Just click on that, and what you want to do is pretty much go ahead and fill in a bunch of these fields. For example, name of this is going to be Pokemon Go because I'm going to be using it to log content on Pokemon Go section on my AI generated website. Then you can skip this field right away. You need to make sure that it's going to be selected to this redirect to another URL. Then what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for Pokemon Go trailer, or pretty much any video game that you're going to be using on your website. You want to go to YouTube and you want to search for trailer for that game. Once you find a trailer that you want to go with, just right click on it and select copy link address. Then go back to OG Ads and you want to paste it into this redirect URL field. That means every time somebody is going to complete this CPA locker, they will be redirected to the video game trailer that's on YouTube, and they can go from there deciding if they want to play the game or not. But because they are going to complete this content locker, you are going to get paid money. And now all you have to do is just go up here, and in this advanced section, what you want to do is go to this payout threshold, and you want to select a payout threshold that is the lowest amount of money paid for each completion that you want to promote in your CPA locker. So for that reason, I'm just going to write in there $15 because the top 2 offers were paying $16 and $21. So now this content locker is going going to be promoting only offers that are paying above $15. Once you do that, pretty much what you want to do is click on create a locker, and it gets created. And right here you need to go to these actions and open it up and click on view details. Scroll all the way down here and you want to find this red URL that's going to be somewhere in these details of the CPA locker, and you want to just copy it, then go back to your Mixo website and you want to pretty much scroll all the way down here where it says button label and button URL, and what you want to do here is just pretty much write in there check it out now, and in this button URL you want to paste the link to your content locker, and it's going to look something like this. You can see that there's this game displayed right here with a very catchy image that you have gotten from Google, and it has this short description, and pretty much every time somebody wants to check it out, they will click on this button and they will have to complete the CPA locker, and that's how you get paid. Now what you want to do is customize rest of these sections just as well. Just go to the website that you got the original game from. For example, let's go with this Call of Duty Mobile. I'm just going to save image, open this second feature, and I'm going to replace this image with the Call of Duty file. Again, ask ChatGPT to write you 2 sentences to promote this game, so I'm just going to copy them, paste them in there, go to YouTube, look for Call of Duty Mobile trailer. I'm just going to copy its link, create a Call of Duty Mobile content locker, then just go to actions, copy its link, and create a button embedded with the CPA locker. Then just pretty much go ahead and do this for this third part just as well. For example, let's go with Crush Royale and just do the exact same thing for this game as well. Create a content locker embedded into this button, and once you have a couple of games on your website, what you want to do is just click on publish, and it's going to take a moment to publish this site for you. Once you're going to have a website just like this published, embedded with your CPA offers, pretty much all you want to do is just make sure you're going to copy its link and then go to Google, and what you want to do here is search for X.com. Nothing else, X.com. This is completely brand new website, never heard of before, that we are going to be used as a source of free traffic. So just make sure to hit search on that, and if you're going to see right here, this is pretty much Twitter under its new name, okay? I'm not going to pretend I don't know what this website is, because it's literally Twitter under its brand new marketing banner that's called X.com. Just go there, and pretty much if you had Twitter account before, you can use that one to sign right into it, and instead of posting tweets, we are going to be posting these posts on X.com. Now all you want to do here is just the exact same thing as you would on Twitter. All you have to do is just write a short message that you want to spread with the world, add in a bunch of hashtags to make it relevant to the team, and then just post it. So I'm just going to type in there something like, hey, do you play mobile games? From the latest reviews to expert tips, tricks, and exclusive content, we've got everything you need to stay up to date with the mobile gaming world. Don't miss out, join the fun today. Then just go ahead and add a bunch of hashtags, something like mobile gaming or gaming community, and make sure you're going to put in there the link to your Mixo AI website that you embedded with the CPA offers, and that's all you need to do on X.com. Pretty much now you need to do is just post this just like that, and now it's going to start attracting traffic, relevant traffic to your gaming CPA offers, and that's exactly how you can get some conversions with this. Now because pretty much this tweet is not going to get a lot of traffic on its own, even if you put in the relevant hashtags, what you want to do to make sure it's going to get spread to as many people as possible completely for free without spending a single cent out of your own money, just make sure to watch this video right here where I'm going to show you in detail how to boost these tweets to make them go viral very easily for free and make a lot of money with it. Just click here to see how you can boost your tweets, and I'm going to see you there.